transform simple individuals. As I just can vividly recall yung mga naging estudyante ko because, please allow me to recall yung mga naging estudyante ko, nandito ako year 1998. Ngayon, yung iba sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga ma-recognize kasi lalong dumanda, lalong gumawa ko, hindi ko na ma-recognize yung iba kanina, binabati ako, iniisip ko pa rin yung pangalan, sino na nga ba to? Sorry, pero yun talaga totoo. Pero mamaya, lalapitan ko kayo ulit. I'll try my best. Hindi nakakapanghinayang. We turn simple individuals to achievers, just as what you are now. You have your own fields, successful kayo, and we are so proud of you. Alam niyo ba ang nakakatawa ng puso every time na nababalitaan namin that you were able to establish and make your own names. And some of you are still making names, pero yung iba have made their names na po. Sino kayo mga pamalakpak na yan? Siguro sila yan. And your success doesn't end here, or doesn't end tonight. Hindi lang ngayon nagtatapos yung success ng bawat isang Marian. Tomorrow is another day. New challenges to face, new roads to take, and it could be a long journey. But as Marians, we can all boldly say, go on, you can make it. Go, Marians, go. Pwede po bang isang, go, Marians, go? Go, Marians, go! Ay, hindi po marinig sa kabila. Go, Marians, go! Go, Marians, go! Thank you very much. Long live Marians. Good evening.
Pansamantala po muna namin inaagaw ang pwesto ni Kuya Ronald and ni Ate Jolly. Kami po ang mga lady in yellow.
Hindi po kami nag-usap, by the way. Hindi rin po kami nag-text sa isa't isa kasi wala po kaming contact. Ako po pala si Janice Domingo. Galing po ako sa batch 2001. Sabi ni po, ako daw yung valedictorian pero masungit. As in, masungit. So, magtsagayin na lang po ako.
Ako naman po si Madel Oganya, batch 2006. Sabi rin nila ako din ng class valedictorian. Ayun. Pares pa na tayo, Ate Janice. Ayun. Nakakatawa po, di ba, isipin na magkaroon tayo ng first Grand Alumni Homecoming. Nag-enjoy ba tayo lahat, Marians?
Mas malakas naman!
Di ba?
Kung talaga nag-enjoy tayo, dapat isigaw natin. Hindi yung, oh yes! Kanina bumukulang lang yata tayo eh.
Even at the back, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Okay! Dito naman, nag-enjoy ba tayo, Marians? Go!
Go, Rachel!
Ayun, kanina sa reception, sa front desk, merong mga napilit mag-donate. Nakakatawa kasi napilitan sila. Ayun.
Yung iba nabibigay ng 50. Sino bang may nabigay ng 50 dyan? Kung totoo talaga. Pero nabigay dyan ng sandal, pwede na rin. Mabayad sa ibang mga kailangan bayaran. Siyempre, may gastos to.
Ayun. Ang balita ko nga, Ate Janice, sa January daw, magkakaroon tayo ng alumni meeting. Pwede ba tayo matendahan, Marians? Wala nga, ate! Naku, wala.
Mukhang estudyante yata yung St. Mary's yung kasama sa sa sound system natin, nag-provide. Galing mo ba yung St. Mary's? Ayun, masyado na po yata kayo matanda.
Ayun, Ate Janice. Now, let's go to the formal program. Formal ba to? Ayun. For our first performance, let's welcome Dennis Christian Rojas, a current grade 4 in our school, and Christine Daniel Rojas, a grade 6 student. Nasa na po kayong dalawa? Diba? Ang daming talented sa St. Mary's Brent Day
May battery dyan. Kailangan daw mo ng battery para sa remote control. representative palagi kapag may mga meeting at inuman. Si Faith Arizabal. Siyempre, ang mahal namin advisor, si Miss Herrera, Miss Margarita Herrera. Bago ko makalimutan, yung nagkaroon ng love life, then get married, then afterwards, nagkaroon ng anak, si Lisa Grace Pasqua. And of course, si Alice Candy. Sila yun, yung couple ng batch namin. And of course, gusto namin magkaroon ng konting words from our advisor, Miss Herrera.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very much pleased to be part of this very first grand reunion of SMEL. A few years back, I was also here, and I'm very proud to be their advisor because as far as I can remember, sila lagi yung panalo sa lahat ng contest. Makakapal kasi baka nila. Pagsuotin mo yung lalaki, pagsuotin ng babae gay, yung lalaki, babae, pagsuotin ng lalaki